back to We Can't Spell Success Without You, PowerPlan Brand vs Brand Challenge. In this section of the channel we want to look at branded food, which brands are actually better for you, which can improve your health, which ones are better for weight gain, weight loss and diabetes type 2, which is the better ones for your heart conditions. We're going to look at 4 sections. First one, calories, where we can see if we can control weight by going for a low calorie food. We're going to look at saturated fat, people with heart conditions will benefit from. We're going to look at carbohydrates and find low carbohydrate food help rather than irritate diabetes type 2. And the final section we're going to look at is costs. Assuming that we buy a branded product 3 times a week, how much can we save to be healthy eating the same sort of food but by switching products over a 12-month period? So the first thing what we need to do is log onto the internet and type in nadiet.info in Google, and that will take us to our webpage, We Can't Spell Success Without You. Click on downloads and then click on the brand versus brand food challenge icon. This will give us a list of all the foods that's available in categories such as canned food, ready-made meals. So today we're going to take a look at
broccoli.
So today we're going to look at fruit and veg, and probably not the most exciting subject. One thing what we need to appreciate with fruit and veg is that historically it'll be full of nutrients, and these nutrients will be all your vitamins. It'll be vitamin C, B1, B2 and all your iron and things like that in there. Generally food these days is force grown, so we can't look at those sort of statistics anymore. What we can do is look at food as such as calories, carbohydrates, saturated fat to see which are the healthier options. But we have to be aware is that when we're actually purchasing fruit and vegetables is the source, and if you can, but it's the most expensive but you will get more nutrients in it, is by shopping organically. And if you shop organically, this means that you'll get away by eating 5 a day. Failing that, probably because of how much it actually costs. If we look at the traditional markets, where a lot of people in the 70s, 80s used to always buy the fruit and veg from markets, which is locally grown. It's not quite as good as organic, but it's far superior against supermarket type fruit and veg. So if you can buy from your local markets, your locally grown products, and by doing that you'll get away by eating 6 a day. And finally, you have your supermarket fruit and veg, which has been force grown. It'll have a lot of chemicals in there, it'll have very little nutrition value with your vitamins B1, B2. But it's cheap, and a lot of people go for cheap these days. If you're going for supermarket vegetables, then look at having 7 a day. I'll be looking at broccoli, which is over here on the website. You may have noticed as well as that some of the videos I've done in the past are now available through the download area. But today we're going into broccoli. So today we're looking at broccoli. We've got supermarket fresh right the way through to organic fresh. This is already sorted on number of calories, so we're going to get 34 calories per 100 grams eaten. Now that is a very, very tiny amount, so it's the same amount regardless where you buy your broccoli from. So that means that it's a very good vegetable to purchase, mainly for weight loss. For weight gain, it's just a nice filler to have on your plate if you like broccoli. I suggest putting some cheese with it, a cheese sauce, to build up those calories, because if you want to gain weight, just eating broccoli won't be enough. So once again, looking at saturated fat, we can see is that locally grown market budget frozen as 0.02 saturated fat, and the worst ones are supermarket fresh and organic fresh with 0.1 saturated fat. So if you're worried about your heart issues, once again it looks like market or frozen are your better options compared to supermarket fresh and organic. So now looking at carbohydrate, we can tell that every single bit of broccoli at 100 grams has got 2.8 grams of carbohydrate, which means it doesn't matter which one you pick. It's a very low amount of carbohydrate, and regardless if you've got diabetes type 1, type 2, you're worried about weight gain, heart, market, frozen, or fresh and organic if you're not too bothered about the heart. And if you look there on Supermarket Fresh, it is a little bit cheaper at 58p. So finally, looking at price, so the cheapest one that we've got is Supermarket Fresh at 58p. The most expensive is Organic Fresh or Supermarket Frozen. Supermarket Frozen being 95p, or Organic Fresh being around £1. So if we load the Health and Wealth calculator, broccoli Organic Fresh, which is £1, Supermarket Fresh, which is 58p. As we can tell there, the calories are the same, the saturated fat's the same, the carbohydrates the same. So you're eating a good quality product in broccoli. It's healthy for you, but it isn't going to change. There's no changes for diabetes, there's no changes for weight loss or weight gain, and there's no changes in saturated fat. So in this situation, the only thing what you're doing is actually saving money. So we have 3 a week, 300 grams. Once a day you probably have more, it's not a great deal. Then we may as well ignore all of this because it's saying that you're going to eat the same amount, both 100 grams. Your weight will stay the same because there's no difference in the calories. Is this good for diabetes? No, no. And for the heart? No, no. That's just default for the spreadsheet. If they're equal values, then it's just say no. And once again, as I said, the amount of carbohydrates in there is that minimal, it's not even registering as any sugar in there. So there's no sugar difference at all. What's interesting though, by going from from Organic Fresh to Supermarket Fresh, we would save £65.52 per year, which is quite a vast saving considering this would have no health impacts at all. Well worth considering the switch next time you're in the supermarket.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.